How to create Pinterest board. To create a Pinterest board, you just need to log into your account first of all. So once you're logged into your Pinterest account, this is how the interface is going to look. Go to the profile from the bottom right corner of the screen. Over here, you want to go to the board sections at the very top. You could see multiple options. So to create a board, just go to create a board section. You give a name to a board. And you could also add in a collaborator if you want to. You could also keep this board as secret if you don't want anybody else to know about it. So you could toggle on the button as well. And once you've done that, simply tap on create, and now you could start adding in your stuff. So just like this, you just want to make sure to go to the section or open up the image, tap the three dot, and you could go ahead and look for add to board. Or else what you could also do is here in the board sections, you could go ahead and tap the three dot. You could go to view board on profile, and this is also where you could tap on add. You could go to pin or maybe collaborator, and this is how you're supposed to go ahead and create a Pinterest board. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.